Hey guys, it's Poochie. I am here with hair dye on my hair, getting my hair colored because the motto of my channel is keeping it real. Okay, I want to talk to you about gurus. Okay, so you know, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, that I've always had a problem with gurus. I did a video about it 3 years ago. Don't get scammed by a guru. You see here. Yeah. So the problem I have is they paint an extremely rosy picture of themselves driving Lamborghinis, Ferraris, whatever. And, you can live the life just like me, and I'm doing this and I'm doing that. And all you have to do is pay money for my course, or all you have to do is buy into my automation, and then you'll be able to fly on a private jet too. So a lot of people actually believe that, and good for them for getting a Lamborghini, renting a Lamborghini, or getting a penthouse, whatever they do. I mean, good for them. They make their money. They're allowed to spend it however they want. But I think I don't like braggarts. I don't like people that brag. I don't like show offs. And that's why the whole, you know, doing the videos with a fancy car is just like, come on, man. I mean, I drive a GMC Terrain, so whatever. The FTC has taken action to stop Kevin David's automation company, okay? Because he paid, there's a couple reasons: deceive people about potential earnings, suppressed negative reviews. Excuse me. Now, what does that mean? He paid people to promote uh, his business, like promotional videos or whatever. Oh yeah, I used to work 60 hours a week to try to support my family, and now because of this automation company, I can travel all over the world and drive a Rolls Royce. So it was all untrue according to the FTC. So let's see what Kevin David actually talked about on his page. Here's the thing: Amazon automation does work. Okay, I used to do it. Alexa, stop. Time to rinse. I used to do it for people, but I just, Alexa, stop. Jeez. But I found that people just didn't want to invest enough money to take it to the next level, next level, next level, which you have to do. In business, you have to continually grow, and people just weren't interested in doing that really. So it kind of was hard to grow the businesses the way I had envisioned. But this guy actually, I mean, you see this? Look at this. You're going to go like this. If you sell on Amazon, you're just going to go straight up. That's not the way it is. There's a lot of stuff that can happen on Amazon, especially if you're doing Amazon drop shipping, if you're doing Amazon private label. There's a lot of stuff can happen to get your account suspended, banned. I mean, it's hard to sell on Amazon, especially if you're drop shipping, or if you're doing private label. It is not easy. Don't let anybody tell you that it is. Even wholesale is difficult. So DK Automation works. You contact our experts. We'll set up your store. We'll reach out to manufacturers, pick profitable products, filling orders. We will research winning products. Okay, it looks like they didn't do any of that. Looks like they didn't do any of that. There's usually a conflict between Amazon FBA and Amazon Automation. Nevertheless, each of these services has a different role. We'll handle all your product research. I mean, Amazon experts, Kevin David and David Arnett. Well, I mean, the FTC shut you down. So I'm not sure how much, you should be talking about your expertise. But the really interesting thing over here is here you have Amazon automation, a bulletproof process to automate your Amazon business. How's that working for you, Kevin David? I think the FTC taking $2.6 million and shutting you down means it's not quite bulletproof, huh, bud? It says, are you looking to invest in a passive income generating machine? So yeah, yeah. Passive income generating machine. Yeah, I don't know that many of those exist actually. This is why I don't like gurus. You want to build a massively successful Amazon business but do not have time and experience. So here's the thing. Do you know how few Amazon massively successful Amazon businesses there are? Massively successful Amazon businesses, there are very few. There are a lot of sellers on Amazon who do quite well. There are a lot of businesses on Amazon that do quite well. Massively successful Amazon businesses are few and far between. I would say probably under 5%, 3% of all Amazon resellers or businesses, third party marketplace sellers are massively successful. And that's the honest to God truth. Anyone who tells you that you can buy in to this system and just a one-time investment and then you're going to be massively successful, they are lying to you. You are better off taking your money and going to buy a Subway franchise, my friend, because it is not going to work with Amazon. I stopped doing Amazon automation. I did it for a long time, but when I couldn't grow the businesses to the point for my clients to the point where I wanted to, because my clients wanted to take out the money and invest in other things, or pay for their house or their car. It's like you have to keep reinvesting in the business. You have to keep reinvesting in the business. So it's better to start off smaller in business and build than invest $100,000. I can't believe somebody did that. I've heard of 25,000, 35,000, 50,000, but $100,000 is absolutely crazy. So be careful. Like I said 3 years ago, this doesn't make me very popular with the other, gurus, with the gurus. I'm not a guru, but with the gurus, I'm not very popular because I post stuff like this. But I'm telling you, man, there's a sucker born every minute, right? And there is someone to take that sucker every 30 seconds. I'm telling you, there's a lot of scammers out there. So don't get scammed. Um, do a Better Business Bureau search, do a ripoff report search. Always go the extra mile before you invest your money. And it's always better to learn how to do it yourself. Even if you're not going to do it yourself, it's always better to learn how to do it. Take the time and learn how to do something yourself, just so you'll know if you sign up with someone to do Amazon automation or any business, if they're blowing smoke up your butt. Because if you don't know how to do it, you're not going to know. Okay, so again, keeping it real. I got to go, Rants. If this helped you at all, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a like because it helps us. It helps me get more people watching the videos. Thanks for watching, everybody, and be careful out there.